Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today it is, what, review number 3082, 3083? I don't know. It's a lot. It's getting up there. Anyways, I got one that I got at a store called Warong Jajanan in Edmonds, Washington on 99. Just up from 99 Ranch Market towards Everett. Same side of the street. Find it. Good stuff. Guy named Jonathan cooked some amazing food there. His wife Nira is just super nice. And it's a really cool place. If you want real Indonesian food, go there. Yeah. Got this there. Kweitiau Kuah. Kweitiau Kuah. Rasa ayam bawang. It's onion chicken flavor. And if you're familiar with char kweitiau, this is the kweitiau part. Broad rice noodle. I'm going to get this going. It needs to have a rolling boiling bath for 3.5 minutes. Get you out of the way. Oh, that almost got accidental. Oh boy. Here are the noodles. Kind of like the ones we've been looking at. They're wheat, but I think they're rice too. I don't know. But they're in the water. They go. And it said, where's that char kweitiau was a rice noodle. I could be wrong. It often happens. But yeah, there's how you make water boil over. For the people who are interested, that's what it looks like. Water boils over. Stop it! I turned you down. Don't make the machine go beep. So yeah, boiling water with noodles. And this one makes kind of an interesting demand. After it's cooked, you're supposed to drain it, boil different water, and then put the noodles in that. Which I've generally thought of like, dude, what, really? How do you do that? But I'm doing what it says. Yeah. So, some happy news. The near future, I think maybe actually not the next one, but the one after, or the next one or the other, episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time will have music. I got a little speaker that you can plug an SD card into, and there's a lot of music on this one service that I use that's all ad-free, copyright-free, that I can use. I'm allowed. I'm a member. So I get to use that, and there's actually some decent stuff on there. I use it a lot in my my videos. So that will be happening, I guess, Amazon says it'll be here on Sunday. Likelihood that I'll do a video before that, pretty slim. Not zero, but pretty slim. Boiling noodles. So basically I've got a measuring cup with water that's quite hot sitting here, and I think it won't really take much of anything to get it to a boil. So yeah. It's my Friday. I'm pretty happy. We might go up to Canada. One of the grocery stores that's ripped off my top 10 list in the past and like said it was my list and did advertising. They are the only place that I've ever seen. I think we're gonna go there, and they're gonna have, what do you call it? 18 prohibited on sale, which is like the ultra spiciest instant noodle in the universe. Makes the 2X spicy fire noodle taste like sugar water, like candy. I'm not kidding. I'm dead freaking serious. So, Kuah. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's a pretty lofty claim, but whoa. You'd have to try it and understand how like violent it is, because I have, and I've experienced its true violent nature. Now I'm going to take this pretty hot water and put it in here, and it should come to a boil rather quickly. And to add to the speed of the boil, which I feel like speed boiling today, add this. This is a combination of chili powder and soup-based seasoning. And then I'm going to add this. This is leeks. Leek! I don't detect a leak. If you know what that's from, you're just as nerdy as I am. And somebody in the comments is going to say, what's that from? And that'll be like way, this is going to come out like almost a whole month from right now. And I'm going to be like, what's what from? And you'll say, that reference about the leek. And I'll say, oh. And then I'll tell you. So, note to future people in the universe, just do that and you'll be clued in. Alright, that was some oil too. I don't know if I showed you that. If I didn't, I am sorry. So, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. And you're good. Not gonna do politics today. I think I'm gonna leave that be for now. And they just caught the bomb guy this morning, supposedly. He had a van. Should be interesting. I really don't know much of anything other than that there was one that went to Cory Booker and one that went to Kamala Harris, and that's like, it's like, wow, it's the liberal dream team. It's like, and then I don't know. I'm just going to stop. Yeah, that sounds good. I'm just going to stop. Resist. Resist Cheetos. You got it. We went to the store last night. As I've been mentioning on the last few episodes, I'm on a new diet. And I've never been much of a... I like vegetables, but I've never really gone in for fruit. Wow, fruit's good. If you don't like fruit, you might not have had it. I mean, I've eaten fruit, but I've never just been like, I fancy a peach right now. Or, I could go for some watermelon. Or I could go for some cantaloupe. Yeah, man, wow. But the thing is, though, it's kind of expensive. I'm just like, why does it cost so much for you guys in this little store with your dirty hands to cut up my fruit? Do I have to do it myself? Can't you just do it for free and then just charge us for the fruit? No? Okay. Yeah, like $8 for cut up pineapple. That's absurd. I'll tell you right now where this stuff comes from. $8 worth of mango or $8 worth of pineapple USD. Oh, you couldn't carry it. No way. That would be just too much to carry. Alright, and I've blabbed enough, and we're good. So let's take this, do this little stir, and our Kweitiau is done. This looks interesting. I'm a fan already. There you go. Kweitiau. Try the broth first and then the noodle. Pretty salty. A lot of MSG going on in there. Oh boy. Oh boy. And here is the noodle. That works. Okay. That's not bad. It's a broad noodle. I like broad noodles. Okay, here we'll pour it in and then we'll tilt the camera thusly. Okay. In bowl. So, how are we gonna do this? We need you, Mr. Egg. I am the Eggman. I was going to make more than one egg today, but then I thought, what's the point? I'm only going to use one egg today. The other one that I'm doing today, an egg would be like obscene. There we go. And since I didn't have time, I forgot all about it. I had to let it sit out. That came out good. I'm alright with that. I can live with that egg. There's a little coriander. Weather's gotten a little windy here all of a sudden. Kind of interesting. It's getting that time of year here in Washington State. Got some tofu bok right there. You can sit a little nicer. You don't need to be trying to get that much attention, you. Okay, and it's onion chicken, I think. Yeah. There we go. Man, it's gonna be hard to, it's like with this new diet, it's really hard when I make things look like this to dump them down the sink. But honestly, that's where it's gonna go. Yep. What a waste. Ugh, what a waste. Oh. I can hear my mom. Oh, Hans, what a waste. It's like, well, sorry. But yeah, looks pretty rad. I would totally eat all of that. Yeah, but I'm not gonna. So, anyways, if you like this video, please click like. And if you didn't like this video, just click on your face. How about that? Just click things that aren't this video. We have a mad clicker, folks. A serial thumbs down clicker that every single video I come out with, this person, this traitor, clicks thumbs down. So I don't know what their deal is. So whatever. I don't care. Enjoy, imbibe, enlist. Later.